This isn't just any sheet pan chicken. This is Greek style magic. Bold flavors, variety of fresh vegetables, and barely any cleanup. Stay tuned to the end, and I'll share some tips to make sure everything cooks perfectly and evenly. To get the best results, make sure to cut your ingredients evenly so they cook at the same time, as I demonstrated. Less oil is better than too much oil. Just enough to coat everything for roasting, and feel free to adjust the seasoning and swap in different veggies if you prefer. Keep in mind, cooking time may vary depending on whether you use convection or a convection oven. And if you love your veggies a bit more roasted, switch to the broiler for the last 5 minutes or so for a perfectly caramelized finish. However, keep in mind you want to prevent for your chicken to overcook and become dry. This recipe makes 4 servings, and each serving comes in at 420 calories with feta cheese included. So under 400 without the feta cheese. If you enjoyed this dish, I invite you to check out my other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and nutritious recipes. And stay tuned for the next video as I'm bringing you a Mediterranean ratatouille that you won't want to miss. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.